We guide you through how to change Zelle from email to phone number. So first, open your banking app and sign in to the account link with Zelle. Navigate to the Zelle section, then tap Settings or Manage Recipients depending on your bank's layout. Look for the email address currently enrolled with Zelle and select option to remove or unenroll it. Once removed, choose Add Contact Method or Enroll again. Then enter the mobile number you want to use for receiving Zelle payments. Make sure the phone number is active and capable of receiving the text messages because Zelle may send a verification code. Enter the code when prompted and complete the verification process. After confirmation, your phone number will be linked to your Zelle profile and you can now be used to send and receive money. To avoid payment delays, double check that the phone number is correct and associated with the bank account you want to use.